Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how to enable two-factor authentication for your GoCardless account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open any of your browser and open gocardless.com into there and log in your account. After logging in your account, you can see this page, and into this page you just simply have to select the gear icon besides magnifier. Tap into gear icon and then choose this user settings. And after tapping into user setting, you just simply have to scroll down and scroll down and scroll down until you see the option of two-factor authentication. Now into this page, you just simply have to choose this setup with an app option because there is no other option. Just simply tap into there and then you have to do this simple two-step. First one is scan the QR code in your authenticator app, and second one is enter the 6-digit code. Now you just simply have to use any of the applications such as Microsoft Authenticator, Google Authenticator, or any other authenticator applications to scan this QR code. And after scanning this QR code or entering this code into your authenticator application, it will generate a 6-digit code into your authenticator application. You just simply have to put that 6-digit code by copying that into this box. And after doing that, you just simply have to tap to submit button and your authentication will successfully be enabled. This way you can very easily enable it. I hope you understand it and this video helped you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.